in less than 2 months.
Yeah, hard to believe. Today, prosecutors released a list containing the names of more than 80 witnesses in this case. So will we see all of them testify? First on Fox, Judge Andrew Napolitano, Fox News Channel senior judicial analyst, joins us live from New York. We love having you live. Thanks for being with us, Judge.
Good to be with you guys.
All right, let's first talk about this boo-boo that apparently got on the list today. They say they accidentally put Casey Anthony's attorney, Jose Baez's name on the prosecution witness list. How does that accidentally happen?
Well, I've never seen that before, and I've in my career looked at thousands of these witness lists. It was either, somebody had a word processing document in there that had his name on it, or they're trying to tweak him a little bit. Because when a defense lawyer sees his name or her name on the government's list, the first issue is, geez, are they really going to call me? What do I know? Do I have to get off the case? As it turns out, it was a simple error, enough to get us to talk about it for a few minutes, but it's history.
Yeah, he might have been freaking out, Judge. But you're talking about 80 witnesses. How many of them will probably be deposed or pre-interviewed, and how many of them might actually make it to the witness stand?
Well, theoretically, all of them have been pre-interviewed. If the government puts someone's name on a list that the government hasn't already interviewed, they're in some hot water. Florida law, as is the law in every state in the union, requires the government to tell defense counsel and the court well in advance of trial the full universe of people whom they are likely to call. So they err on the side of caution by putting down every conceivable name. If they fail to put a name on that list and fail to amend the list, then they can't call the person at trial. Flip side of this is the defense now knows the full universe from among whom the government's witnesses will come, and the defense lawyers can send their investigators to interview these people so that they can anticipate what they'll say if they're called.
All right, what about hostile witnesses? Any names on that list jump out to you as possible hostile witnesses?
Well, sure. I mean, her father, who was a former police officer and who is Hamlet-like tormented here between the death of his granddaughter and what he says is the inappropriate prosecution of his daughter, is not really someone that the government wants to put on, and is someone the defense is looking forward to having on there because they believe that if he can push things in any one direction at all, it's going to be in the direction of his daughter.
All right, Judge Andrew Napolitano, Fox News Channel senior judicial analyst, thanks for being with us.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome.